Lesson 11. The product of conjugate pairs. The sum and difference of two terms. So the conjugate of x add 2 is x minus 2, and that of 5y minus 7 is 5y plus 7. The conjugate of a binomial is found by negating the second term of the binomial. So this is something to note. So in general, the conjugate of a x add b is ax minus b. So I'm going to use method 1 to expand conjugate pairs to see what comes out of it. So I'll start by multiplying x times x will give me x squared, and x times negative 2 will give me negative 2x, and x times 2 times x will give me plus 2x, and positive 2 minus 4 will give me minus 2 will give me negative 4, which then simplifies to give me x squared. Negative 2x plus 2x turns to 0, so I have minus 4 here. B. M times m will give me m squared. M times minus 5 will give me negative 5m. 5 times m will give me 5m. And then positive 5 times negative 5 will give me negative 25, which then simplifies to m squared. Negative 5m add 5m is 0, so I've got minus 25. 3 times 3 will give me 9. 3 times y will give me plus 3y. Negative y times 3 will give me negative 3y. Negative y times y will give me negative y squared. This then simplifies to this is 9. 3y minus y, 3y will give me 0, so I'll get minus y squared. D. A times x will give me x times x will give me x squared. X times a will give me plus or positive ax. Negative a times x will give me negative ax. And then negative a times positive a will give me negative a squared, which then simplifies to x squared. Ax minus ax is 0, so I'll just now have minus a squared. Now if you look at this D, you notice a common situation. This is x squared and this is a squared, and the difference is minus. So the generalization would therefore be if I have x minus a and then x plus a, which are conjugates, I just need to square the terms of the one with the difference. So I take this one squared, x squared minus a squared to give me the answer. This we call the difference of two squares. So the product of two conjugate terms will give you the product of and the difference of two squares. So the square of the terms in the negative binomial. So this is it. In general, I'll read this out so it's easy for you to follow. We say that in the examples above, we notice that we multiply the sum of two terms with the difference. So sum is basically add of two terms with the difference, take away, of the same terms. And the results we get is simply the difference of the squares of the original terms. That is what is represented algebraically here. Bracket a add b times the conjugate a minus b should give you a squared minus b squared, which is the identity. So an expression in the form a squared minus b squared is called the difference of two squares.